Toes, come on. Hold the camera. There, Toes. Turkey here. Turkey will. Turkey back. In the house. Today we're going to be doing the challenge. The ice bucket challenge. Well, I'm not going to do the ice bucket. Instead, we're going to use cold water from the sink. Yep. Let's do this. Stop, it's cold. Quick! Go, go, go! Freezing, freezing! I'm freezing! I'm freezing! I'm freezing! Tell them what you're doing. Probably 56 degrees. Oh, I slipped. The fridge is open, you know. Oh. Okay. Subscribe for more. If you know coding, you know what challenge you want me to do, leave it down in the description down below. You can tell us if you want to do one. Bye-bye.